This video tutorial I will explain copyOf method of arrays class which accept float array and newLength. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array 1. Then I am displaying the float array 1 content. Then I am calling copyOf method of arrays class and passing float array 1 and length as 3. This method returns a copy of float array 1 with the length 3. Then I am displaying the float array 2 content, which is a copy of float array 1 with the length 3. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.